We are today in southeast Houston, Texas on a commercial roof project addressing a few issues that were found that were causing 3 leaks and the tenants to complain to the property owner. We're dealing with issues such as abuse issues on the vents, actual punctures in the roof system. Again, also we're dealing with issues such as this: improper repairs or lack of maintenance, leaving fastener holes wide open. So we'll be addressing the issues by performing a repair, including tightening of all fasteners, replacing of any damaged fasteners as needed, where needed, and then going over all the fasteners in the work area with a tripolymer sealant. So if you find yourself in need of a small repair or a whole new roof system, give us a call, 281-803-9585. Deco Roofing and Paving. Put our experience to work for you.